Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe. Me also fine and safe. Do you know who am I? Do you know? My name is Dasni. You can call me Dasni ma'am. Why I am here? Why I am in front of you? I am going to teach art and craft. Do you like art and craft? Okay. Before that, we need some refreshment. Okay. We will move to on refreshment activity. Okay. Shall we go for a ride? Okay. We will start. All of you stand up, children. Don't sit down. All of you stand up. Somebody is sitting there. I can see. Okay, very good, children. Okay, shall we start? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You all sing together. Okay? Once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. How do you feel now? All are happy? Give me a good smile. Sweet, sweet smile. Okay. You know what we are going to do today? Do you like drawing? Do you like drawing? Do you like crayons? See crayons? Do you like crayons? Okay, I know everyone like this. I know. Okay. But today we are going to learn a new activity. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. I got a big S from here. Oh, what a children you all are. Okay. You know what's its name? What's the name of our activity? It's a paper print. What's that? Paper print. You know what all the things we needed for this? See, we need papers. Any paper you can take. You can take any paper. Okay? Newspaper is available everywhere now. Okay, paper. Then what all the things we needed? See, colors. Colors means paint. Paint. For what? For dipping. Dipping means what? Like this dipping. Okay. 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 Next. Take a paper like this. Take a paper like this. Then I am going to tear this paper. How? See? I am going to tear this paper. Okay. Then again I am going to tear. See? Then I am going to roll this paper like this. See? I am going to roll. We will make 2-3 balls. Okay. Again roll. See? Rolling. See? Our fingers are moving. How? I will show you how our fingers are moving. See? Like this. See? Wow. Rolling. Rolling again and again. Then only your finger will become flexible. Then only you can catch pencil. Right? Okay. Then what's this? Paint. Hey, before that, any sound from here? Can you hear any sound? Someone is crying there. Here? No. Anyone is crying there? Your sister is crying? No? Then your brother is crying, right? No? Then who? Who is crying? Okay, I will find out who is crying. Let me check. Wow! What a beautiful trees. See? Wow! Oh, all trees are smiling. See? All trees are smiling. Hey, what happened to this tree? What happened? This tree is crying. How crying? Crying. Oh, sad. We will ask what happened to this tree. All of you come with me. We will together ask. Hello, my dear tree. What happened to you? Why you are looking sad? See, all friends are seeing you. All friends are waiting for your smile. Okay, children, say, don't worry. Hear that? All children are saying, don't worry, don't worry. Anyway, what happened to you? I got it. See, this tree is saying, all trees are looking very beautiful. Only his leaves all fall down. What will we do? Have you any idea? You can share me your ideas. Any ideas? Ma'am will tell you what we need to do. Okay. What we are going to do? We made paper boats. Right now? Then we doing pressing like this. See? Then keep it here. Then what we need to do? I told you now. See, all the leaves are beautiful. What's the color of the leaves? You know what's the color of the leaves? This grass. See which color? Green. Yeah, right, green. You can check in your garden, Okay. You can check your surroundings when you go through road, when you go through car, any time you can check. So many trees are there. All are smiling to us. Okay. See this leaf. Can you see this leaves? See. Wow. This leaves green in color. See how it looks nice now. Okay. Then we will make this tree beautiful. How? Take this green color and I am going to pour into the palette. Then we take this paper rolls. See this rolling. Do it again and again. Then only your finger become flexible. We are doing now for muscle coordination. Parents, please listen. We are doing this activity for muscle coordination. Children, listen. I am going to do this green color into that tree. We need this paper roll and dip into the paint. How? We dip into the paint. Then we are going to print here. Again we need to print. Then again we dip into the color and print it here. See? Wow. See? You can see now? We need to fill this everywhere. See friend? See tree? My dear tree? All the friends are looking at you. See? All the friends are very excited by seeing this. This tree is saying, you all friends are very good. Doing again. We will print it like this. I told you now, we need to fill this space. See, then only tree will become more beautiful. Again, I am dipping and printing. See how I am printing. Good now? It's looking beautiful. Wow. I can see your face. You all are smiling now. I know you all are smiling. See? Wow. Very nice now this time. Wow. How was the tree? Is it happy? Anything is missing there? You know, what's missing here? Anything is missing there? Look at another trees. Anything is missing there? Look. Yes, you are correct. Smileys. See? Now, how was the tree? Is it good? Wow, it's looking very beautiful. It's looking very beautiful. This tree is saying, you know what this tree is saying? Tree is saying, thank you for all. Thank you, my dear children. They all are saying, thank you, friends. Wow, tree is very beautiful. You want this? Do you want this? I will tell an idea. Parents, also please listen up. Now I am saying, see, take a A4 sheet size paper like this. You can take any printout of tree or you can draw it. Draw a base of tree. Then we need to make colorful. How? Make paper rolls and use green color paint. And what we need to do? Pour into the palette and dip into the paint. Then what? Yes, print it here. Fulfill that space. Okay. But don't tear this paper. You have to keep in a folder. This is a folder. Folder, and what we need to do? Keep it in a folder, and whenever you come back to school, you have to hand over to the class teacher. You will do now? Pakka promise? Give me a promise. Okay, I believe you. I am believing you. You all will do. I know. Okay, I am winding my section. Next class, we will meet you again with another activity. Parents, please encourage the children to make creative. Okay? Thank you, children. Bye-bye.